let me tell you about some care tips for looking after your Charlie oven. So, you've been using it and now it's time to empty it out. Cleaning it is very simple. You can just take it up to 375, 400 degrees and it will burn most things off. But here we've had a big cook and this is what's left, which is just a bit of the charcoal that didn't burn through, and the ash I've pushed through underneath. Now, when you get the ash underneath, sometimes it sits in the valley below and you have to take a brush and open the vent and just push the ash through if there's a build-up. Sometimes I just get in with my hands and make sure we get that through so it goes right through to underneath and comes out in the ash pan. That's a very simple thing. When you've cleaned the oven down by superheating it, you will get some more ash. And again, just use a paintbrush with a soft bristle and it cleans it all the way through. And that all comes out in your lovely ash pan down here, as you can see. Discard that. It's very good for the roses, very good for the garden. Cleaning it, if you want to get rid of this patina, which personally I haven't got a problem with, but some people want it nice and clean. Using some barkeeper's friend and a cloth, and just in small movements, and only do it on the stainless steel on the door. You can do in around the edges as well, but be very careful not to get it on the paintwork. Every so often, especially if you cook fatty cuts of meat, it's important to take the chimney off, and inside the chimney there's a spark arrestor. This will clog up with fat over time. And if you find that, oh, my oven is not heating up fast enough, it's usually because there's not enough, some of this has been blocked up and therefore it affects airflow. So every so often, just get in with a cloth and clean it. And on the outside, do not use anything abrasive. A damp, soapy cloth and then just dry it off. So wipe it down and then using another cloth, dry it off. And it's as simple as that.